Hey Diaries beauties, welcome back to my channel. So I'm really excited because today I'm going to be showing you what I eat in a day. I feel like this is the first time I'm ever doing this type of video on my channel, so I'm really excited. I've been on this trying to be more healthy kind of journey. I feel like when people say like, oh, I'm trying to be healthy, it kind of almost equals as to like I'm trying to lose weight, and that's not the case. I just like, of course I do want to lose weight, but I feel like I also want to build this like healthier lifestyle, so that I can like maintain that as I get older and I don't have to worry about like health complications and stuff like that. So of course, like, it's, health complications are also like a genetic thing, but I don't want to like, make it worse or get it beforehand, if that makes sense. Yeah, so I thought I could share with you guys some of my food, and it's really funny because a lot of the food that I eat, my family is very like, what is that? Like, it's definitely very Pinterest inspired, or it's like a combination of Pinterest inspired and Puerto Rican food. So my family is kind of like, that's different. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy it, and I also want to kind of give you a little bit of a reminder that, I know that summer is around the corner, and I feel like a lot of us feel this pressure that we have to look a certain way, or we have to reach a certain goal before summer, and if we don't, we feel like, really bummed out. I just want you guys to know that you're perfect the way you are, and of course there's always room for change and progress, but don't let that control how you feel, especially when summer is around the corner. Still rock that bathing suit that you want to wear, rock that crop top no matter what your body shape is, rock whatever outfit and look you want. Don't let what society makes as normal define how you live your life. So yeah, keep that in mind, and let's get started. Every day for breakfast, I like to kind of mix it up. Some days I like to make an acai bowl, other days I like an avocado toast, other days I'll make an egg sandwich. I like to just, make it special. This time I'm making a avocado toast with a poached egg on top, and I seasoned my avocado toast with the everything bagel seasoning. I think that's what it's called. On the side, I had some fruits, and then of course I made some tea. I usually drink coffee in the mornings, but I'm trying not to drink as much coffee, so I went with a tea this time. I just made this food. So I actually made some for my whole family because they've never tried avocado toast with a poached egg. I think it's not a very Puerto Rican concept. So yeah, let's see how they like it, and bon appetit. Okay, so right now I have to get ready because I'm actually going out real quick for some errands, and then I have to come back and like start taking some pictures and videos for Instagram and for TikTok and stuff like that. I have one Instagram photos that I have to do before a deadline because it's for like a company or like a brand, and so I'm like so yeah, so I'm like gonna try to like hurry up, but I'll bring you guys along with me, so just in case if I eat anything while I'm out. I actually these days prefer not to really eat out, just because like I have a whole refrigerator with food. Why should I eat out? But then at the same time, like the convenience of like not making food yourself is really nice. Okay, so we just stopped by Panera. I got myself a seasonal clam chowder, which I'm excited to try. I've never had it before. And I also got a smoothie. So, and this one is the only smoothie that I have with almond milk. So yeah, got that. So I just got home, and I really like this smoothie. I had this one before. It's pretty good. So I just finished doing a TikTok and a couple Instagram pictures and some swatches for some makeup that I have to test out from Kraja. I'm really excited. I don't know if you guys know, but I am actually currently a beauty ambassador for Mimi Box, which is like a Korean brand that a Korean company that has like Kaja, I'm Mimi, I Do Care, all of those brands are under Mimi Box. So I do get like a couple products that I can test out and do videos for you guys and swatches. So yeah, that's what I just did now. And this is the makeup look that I did. So super exhausted, but it's time for dinner. So I'm gonna go ahead and make some dinner for you guys, for myself, I mean. So now I'm gonna go ahead and make some dinner for myself. I'm thinking of making steak with a salad. That sounds really good right now. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so I just finished making my food. I just have a very bland salad. I know, don't come for me if you're like really into salads. Yeah, very basic, just spinach, cucumber, and cabbage. And then I have my steak, and of course I have my water. I don't really drink anything except for water, coffee, and like some Starbucks drinks. But yeah, and I'm gonna put some ranch on this because I love my ranch. After dinner, I always like to enjoy some sort of dessert. It could either be a dairy-free ice cream, a latte, a coffee, maybe even some Starbucks. But this time I decided to make myself my own matcha latte at home. And I've used a Korean matcha powder that I bought while I was in Korea. And I really like it. It's definitely more of a lighter matcha. I definitely prefer a little bit stronger, but I still really enjoyed it. And it's actually really easy to make matcha latte. Usually I do ice latte, but you could always do a hot one if you like. I just had dinner and I made myself a little bit of a snack. And do you see my dog? He's making so much noise. But I made myself a green tea latte with oat milk and vanilla syrup. Why are you so loud? Why are you so loud? And I also made last night some homemade banana bread with some overripe bananas that I had. I didn't want them to go to waste, so I made some banana bread. So yeah, that's my dessert while I'm editing and trying to figure out what I will be uploading for Instagram, TikTok, doing a couple of voiceovers for my TikTok, as well as I need to start editing this video that you guys are watching. But yeah, so that's pretty much everything that I'm eating. I actually don't eat anything after 8 p.m. It's just something that I kind of try to train myself to do for my, you know, gut health, as well as just, you know, not trying to like feel sick while I'm sleeping or anything like that. So yeah, so basically after this I'm not gonna eat anything else. I do drink water. I drink a ton of water throughout the day. I think I drink about like 8 cups or even more. I love drinking water. It's one of my favorite drinks. It's kind of funny because a lot of people think water doesn't taste like anything, but to me water does taste like something, and I really enjoy it. Now he keeps staring at me because he wants me to play with him. But yeah, so that's pretty much everything for today. I have to clean my room now because it's a hot mess. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you like this type of videos, let me know. And if you like this series, let me know, and I will see you guys later. Take care of your health. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button. Honestly, it really helps if you guys comment, like, and share. It really helps with the algorithm and all of that. So please help me out. And of course, go follow me on my social medias. And I love you guys. Take care of your health, diverse beauties, and I will talk to you later.